as you could probably hear, there's chickens in the background.
Boom, 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 chicka-lacka-lacka.
Chickens! Yeah, this is only a couple of them. And don't look at the camera.
Well, this is most of them, but...
Ooh. Yeah. The easiest one to probably pick up is Max's
found an egg just
favourite.
now. Yeah,
Yeah.
we just found an egg.
Off camera though. Yeah, they were just doing a cock-a-look-a-doo thing.
Yeah. Yeah, but my
Missed it
favourite's
though.
the white one. It's quite easy to find.
Yeah, this one.
So we go.
Right, hold on.
Pick him up.
Pick up some food. Say hello.
Don't peck it.
Right, I'll put it on now. I'm scared now. There you go.
Yeah, but in there we found it. It's quite dark, but it's like right next to
What
the door.
We lost it. We're locked in.
It's chickens.
Yeah, zoom out.
Look, we have 3 cockles. We have 3 cockles in this one, and then there's one. There's one out there. They got some water in. They got Dylan.
No.
They got some things to sit in, even though they eat it. You want to be on video? Yes, you're on video.
I'll zoom out. There's no need to go in.
Yeah, I like it. It's cool now. Don't just go fan away.
There's no eggs. There's no other eggs.
Yeah, we want them to be going in these things. Eventually, they're gonna find a way to get up there, but it's like
Yeah, the white one's really easy.
shut thing.
What's that? Let it go up. Let it go up. See?
I'm on video. Yeah, I'm a chicken. Blah, blah.
Something wrong with his right eye.
It's like, I want to play.
Yeah, man, there's something wrong with his right eye.
He
let's see if
wants
you can see
to
me.
break me.
Oh, I can see me, yeah. But I can't, like,
They all
see
want to
properly.
break me.
Okay, pause until we get to the video. At the other bit.
No. I'm gonna play for a little bit. Run, run in. No, you have to just hold the door. Yeah, but there's not many in here. There's a, excuse me.
You have to move the white copper away.
Yeah, there's a one after you.
Yeah, these ones are not so easy to pick up.
Do, do, do,
Where are
do,
the
do.
locks? Just look at the top though.
Do.
Yeah, it's only a short video, isn't it?
Yeah, it's 3 minutes long.
So, should we
Wait,
see-
no. What you doing? Yeah, but they're supposed to lay eggs in there and in there. But give me.
Right. Not much to say, but
Some water.
they put a lot on the eggs and they eat.
And they smell.
Hold the door.
And they quack. They're like.
Oh, it's really, oh no.
Okay, I caught the chicken. Dale, where are you? Dale, I can't see you. Oh, you just swam. Big chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken. Look at my head. Look at my head. Look at my head.
That's so creepy. That's so creepy.
Right, so
Even though this is a chicken video, look at that hole. Say hello. Why should I? You're a chicken. Fine, I'll let you out for this 1 second. Okay, I'll let one of the chickens go.
Cat.
I'll show them the cat now because, well, it's a cat.
Come on. Meow meow.
Now there's a horse. There's a horse behind me.
Maybe. Oh, Fred. Right. Maybe we should end it.
No, don't end it yet. With me. Down.
Yeah. Go. Right, so this is time to end. Bye bye. No.